there is a huge difference in terms of what young adults get in terms of food security and transportation from little kids. Like K through 12, you basically get transportation and breakfast and lunch. And when you're in college, nothing.
Our space is trying to take families or individuals who would be in those situations where they're trying to figure out, how can I balance my budget to get through this week or through this month because I'm living paycheck to paycheck or I don't have a source of income. And our goal is to try to take those corners, people don't have to cut them anymore, and provide those foods.
This kind of resource here is essential, not just for the reasons that you've heard, like in terms of, students needing this resource to survive, but for them to do well in school, right? Like they have to be nourished.
Well, that's really what this is about too, is giving them the base so they can finish the school with pride and move on and help others. So give back.
I cannot overstate how much this means to us. Professor Shelton, in his classes, he talks to us about what would make America a more democratic society. This is, in one sentence, the answer. So thank you.
May I?
Yes.
Thank you.